Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, Vaishnavi. What did you prepare today?
I prepared
WH question.
WH word, sir.
Which word will you take?
What, sir?
Water. Okay, I will ask you Telugu according to 12 tenses in Telugu, and you have to give the proper answer.
Okay, sir.
నువ్వు రోజు ఏం తింటావు?
What do you eat daily?
నువ్వు నిన్న ఏం తిన్నావు?
What did you eat yesterday?
నువ్వు రేపేం తింటావు?
What will you eat tomorrow?
నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు ఏం తింటున్నావు?
What are you eating
now?
What are you eating now?
నువ్వు నిన్న ఏం తింటూ ఉన్నావు?
What was
were you?
Okay. What were you eating yesterday?
Yeah. నువ్వు రేపు ఈ సమయంలో ఏం తింటూ ఉంటావు?
What will you be eating tomorrow at this time?
Yeah. నువ్వు ఇప్పుడే ఏం తిన్నావు?
What have you eaten just now? Just now.
నువ్వు అప్పటికే ఏం తిన్నావు?
What had you eaten already?
నువ్వు రేపటికల్లా ఏమి తిని ఉంటావు?
What will have you eaten? What will you have eaten by tomorrow?
నువ్వు 2 రోజులు ఏం తింటున్నావు?
What have you been eating for 2 days?
Yeah. నువ్వు అప్పటికే 2 రోజులు ఏం తింటున్నావు?
Then what had you been eating for 2 days?
నువ్వు రేపటికల్లా ఏం తింటూ 2 రోజులు అవుతూ ఉంటుంది.
By tomorrow what will you have been eating for 2 days?
Okay, excellent, nice. You spoke very well.
Thank you, sir.